Tape Incorporated tuluyan ng namaalam sa GMA Network. Willie Revillame ilalagay ng GMA sa kanilang noontime slot. Tuluyan nang nagpaalam ang Tape Incorporated sa kanilang naging tahanan na GMA Network. Naglabas nga ng official statement ang Tape Incorporated hinggil dito. Narito at basahin natin. It is with a heavy heart that we inform our televiewers that our noontime show Tahanang Pinakamasaya on Kapuso Network GMA7 will no longer be on air, effective March 8, 2024. Tape Incorporated extend its profound gratitude to its home network GMA7 for a long and fruitful partnership. GMA7's kind consideration and understanding of the company's unwanted circumstances have been instrumental in helping the company this transition. Despite our best efforts to save the show, both parties have reached a mutual agreement to finally call off the show. To the loyal viewers, esteemed hosts, supportive advertisers, hardworking crew, and dedicated employees who have been with us from the very beginning, from the longest-running noontime show Eat Bulaga to the present Tahanang Pinakamasaya, our sincerest thank you and optimistic see you again. Maraming salamat. God bless. Kasunod naman ito ay isa pang statement na mula naman sa GMA. Due to unavoidable circumstances, Tape has made the difficult decision to cease the airing of Tahanang Pinakamasaya. GMA Network would like to thank Tape for its invaluable contribution to noontime programming for the past decades, which Filipinos will surely remember for many years to come. The network will always be grateful to Tape for its partnership over the past decades. Maraming salamat, Kapuso! Samantala, sunod-sunod naman ang pag-share ng Wawawin Facebook page sa nangyaring pamamaalam ng Tape sa GMA. Ani ng netizens ay tila kumpirmasyon ito na si Willie Revillame ang ipapalit ng GMA sa Tape Incorporated. Kung sakali nga na mangyari iyon, ay magkakaroon na naman ng panibagong tunggalian ang mga noontime show. Anila ay Eat Bulaga sa TV5, Eat Showtime sa GTV at Wawawin sa GMA.